Imagine having the power to rewrite the code of life itself. That's CRISPR for you. CRISPR stands for Clustered Regularly Interspaced Short Palindromic Repeats. It's a breakthrough gene editing tool borrowed from bacterial immune systems. Think of it as molecular scissors that can snip DNA at precise locations, led by a customizable RNA guide. Originally, bacteria used CRISPR to fend off viral attacks. Scientists saw this natural defense mechanism and thought, why not use this for genetic engineering? And voila, CRISPR was born. Why is it a game changer? Unlike older methods, CRISPR is fast, accurate, and budget-friendly. It lets scientists tweak the genetic code of any organism with pinpoint precision. From curing genetic disorders to creating drought-resistant crops, the possibilities are endless. So, next time you hear about miraculous medical cures or supercrops, remember, there's a good chance CRISPR is behind it. Welcome to a new era in biotechnology. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing tech content.